We're going to run through a quick intro on the setup for an iPhone or an iPad, how to get into the App Store and do a quick configuration. All right, why don't you talk us through this?
First, access your App Store and then type in Ultrasync. It will pop down the suggestion of the Ultrasync Plus for the app name. If you haven't downloaded it before, it will say Get instead of having the iCloud icon. So tap that, it'll download and install. We'll hit Open. Accept the terms and conditions. Allow for syncing, that is for push notifications to come to the app, whether it be your iPhone or your iPad. Upper right corner, tap the Add. Then you'll key in all of the detailed information, including site name, which is just a simple name that will display on your site's listings. The description is unnecessary. You can go ahead and fill in the description column or description field. You will key in the serial number of the device that you're attaching to. Then you will enter in the passcode, which will be specified by us, either in email or in the insert inside of your box. The username by default, in order to configure your device, will be installer. You have two different configurations or two different passwords combinations. You have an installer, which is to modify the configuration of your devices within the panel or security system. And then you have what's called a master user. The master user is for daily operation of your device, and it's the initial install that can add and remove users inside of your panel. So the information for those two will be included in an email or within the insert inside of your package that you receive. The PIN code will also be specified by us, and that will be specific to your panel. After that, you will hit Done. And it will show you the newly configured site that you're going to be attaching to.